Hey guys, welcome to Reviewer Family. We received this product to test and try. Let's explore together so it helps in your buying decision.
It's a 93 inches modular cloud couch L shape, convertible for test and try. So this is really good, and how using you already saw like how this looks. Comes in these boxes. So no assembly required. You can just open it so that it can regain its shape. Give it a 24 to 48 hours time so that it can take up its shape. Comes with the pillow, with the matching pillow and the cases. So pretty good. So let me just open this up and give it some time so I can show it to you. But be careful while opening so you will not cut the fabric in error. So it's great for a living room or apartment or where you want a 93 inches size, and it's a nice L shaped with a nice lounger. So as you can see, the chaise size is really good, 16 inches total height, for the couch, with a nice back support, hand support, rest, and the pillows. So pretty good. And the 93 inches I mentioned is the total height, 63 inches is the total width with the lounge, and then 37.5 without it. So the couch have a really good wide seat to sit, and then nice soft fabric which easily washable. You can take this out because the zipper provided, and so you can take out this, wash it, and re-put it. And then nice fabric, so giving a really nice look. This is the black color, but you have the choices of other colors as well. And then sitting wise, with the leg support, it's pretty good because it's a wide seat around 27.6 inches, so give it a really nice support for your leg and the body. So it's good because it's a memory foam, and you can see that when you sit on it, the legs are really nice touching on the floors, and then there is no gap, so pretty comfortable. And the lounge has give the full access, so you can easily lie down on it, and then with the hand support or the rest support, this gives a really nice feel. So with this deep and spacious chases with the jumping around, it can hold up to 1200 lbs of the weight, and then you can easily jump and play, enjoy the couch, and it's really nice L-shaped couch.